Good afternoon. My name is Grabando. Below I present pronunciation. I believe that since the last decades, the development of technology and that negative effects on the environment, governance, and industries are not locally and the environmental damage in the different ecosystems are produced comes from many sources such as nuclear disaster and the pollutants from automobiles with different smoke emissions cause global warming, the degradation of the lands due to the destruction of the forest and the air burning has had a grave effect on the world climate. The public gas emitted by diesel cars and different industries is cause the thinning of the sun layer which has caused the increase of ultraviolet radiation with serious danger to the health of the people. The economic growth in the country, the increase of industries and automobiles in the big cities as its advantage for the growth of the population in the big cities in the which destroyed areas of the world start to make to housing constructions without taking into account that the flora and the fauna in this ecosystem in this world destroyed and is of the freeze their contamination of the every make and the risk of for safety due to the use of pesticides in the of agriculture crops and the advances of money speeding. The use of measures not to affect the ecosystem. The impacts it has had in the decrease in world surface. The disappearance of birds and the contamination of the salmon by the use chemicals. The every note as the being of affected by technological processes that or the of grains challenges for society in the society and the in developing countries in the search for place to store their large amount of the that in the process in the municipality there as the company recycles as of this was and there was in taken a company that in charge of making the final disposal on the of positive effects of technology of the behavior met in the start acts of the developed countries and seek every day to be freed with the environment as the digital transformation in the companies of and the people in this has helped reduce the use of paper and the data information in the hard digital electric car and the house that have stored smoke emissions in the roof tunnels. Smart bills in the week this will digs using with necessary renewable energies are those that reduce the pollution with use big solar, wind and hydroelectric energy. From my point of view, the government together with areas of the territorial instincts should carry out companies for environmental control as they have been able to demonstrate aims of the most remote homes. They don't have colored on bullets. They are noise irreversible. They govern and combat the increase in the rate of environmental pollution in the West, seeking the strategy of some countries. They encourage people. This will reduce poverty in the country and recommend that yes, all the territorial entities has a sustainable development in as one of household because many take habitat of areas of one of the works that the household does not use. It is considered that fundamental role of the layer organization in the encounters due to listen this population that is committed to taking immediate action towards address this environmental concern. The United Nations and demonstrate the ability to bring countries together to solve and problem and that is one way acts of 10. This comment must be translated in the clear and efficient measures to protect and restore ecosystems. It is since in school professing against buses, recycling incentives, energy efficient programs, structural and finance sanctions for the drugs what affects an ecosystems of species and necessary financiation for those who do. Cordially, el ver Adán Amado. Thank you.